Breaking. Today, I'll be weighing in on the recent brouhaha about Igbo in Ghana that has gotten the internet buzzing for a while now. Igbo, His Royal Majesty Eze Dr. Ambassador Jude Chukwudi is a Nigerian that married a Ghanaian lady, Lolo Liberty Kwano Ihenetu. I hope I pronounced the name well. If not, I beg your pardon. Dr. Ihenetu, who migrated to Ghana in 1995 and have lived there for 30 years, he is the MD CEO of Chibat Group of Companies. A husband of one wife and a father of five, recently decided as a king, to procure about 5 acres of land for the purpose of setting up an Igbo kingdom in the eastern region of Ghana. This very declaration has set the internet on fire. The Ghanaian youths are revolting that Igbos must go, Nigeria must go, claiming that the recent decision of King Ihenetu poses a threat on their cultural heritage and values. My question would be to my Ghana people, Charlie, what is going on? Sincerely, why are you revolting? Do you know that, for example, there's Chinatown in almost every country of the world? And when you visit the Chinatown, it looks as if you are in China. Why? Because they bring in everything about China in that place. Once you set in the environment, the atmosphere will change. You will feel as if you're in China. We have Chinatown even in Nigeria. It's every other place there's got to be a Chinatown. Apart from that, do you know that Igbo Kingdom is cited in most countries of the world? You have the Igbo village in Virginia, America. You have Igbo village in some certain locations in Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, Australia. You understand? And you know, they usually would celebrate our popular New Year festival in all those locations. And it's usually a very big occasion where they get to invite highly placed in the government. They usually will invite them to such occasions. So my question is this: why not Ghana? Why not Ghana? If you are a Ghanaian, this message is for you. Dr. Ihenetu, as a true son of Igbo land. Now, let me tell you something that you don't know about the Igbos. An average Igbo man is a domineering force. If an Igbo man is living in your country and there's no development coming in, you should begin to protest, because Igbos are developers. When they get into your land, they will bring about transformation, they bring about values. That is what an average Igbo man will do for you. So it is a blessing to have a settlement that you can say, oh, this is where the Igbos are, or this is where the Igbos gather. It will be a blessing to your country. Dr. Ihenetu, as a true son of Igbo land, is a highly placed business tycoon. He is a captain of industry with overwhelming chains of businesses duly taxated in Ghana. Now, here are my reasons why I do not agree with you when you say Igbos must go or Nigerians must go. Sincerely, I don't think the Ghana government will condescend to what you are asking for. It will be difficult to kick Dr. Ihenetu out, and here are my reasons. Dr. Ihenetu is the MD CEO of Chibat Group of Companies. All right, so you have Chibat Limited, Chibat Transport, Chibat Motorcare, Chibat Farms, Chibat Aluminium, Chibat Oil and Gas, Chibat West Coast Entertainment, Chibat Sparkway Telecommunication Towers and High Tension Towers. So, Charlie, you must agree with me that the Igbo in Ghana, Dr. Chukwudi Ihenetu, is a huge blessing to the land of Ghana. Let me tell you, he's an employer of labor. So in one way or the other, he must have reduced unemployment. Whatever company that is running all these chains of companies, he's not going to employ only the Igbos, only Nigerians. He's going to employ a Ghanaian that once you have the prerequisite for the job, you're going to get unemployment. So that way, I can say, I don't live in Ghana anyways, but I can tell you that with his businesses, with his chains of businesses, he must have reduced unemployment to an appreciable percentage. You understand? So in Ghana, Dr. Ihenetu is contributing to the success and the growth of your economy. He's an employer of labor. His businesses are taxated, which will be an enhancement to Ghana economic growth. He doesn't engage in illicit or clandestine businesses. He is a patriotic foreigner of lofty repute in Ghana. He doesn't violate the laws of the land, mislead Ghanaians, or impact negatively on the people. With these few points of mine, Charlie, I am optimistic that I have not confused you, but I've been able to convince you that Igbo or Nigeria must go is a colossal joke. Sincerely. That man should be celebrated in your country. That man should be celebrated for his impact, for his leadership, for his values. He should be celebrated and not the other way around. What do you think? Are you a Ghanaian or a Nigerian? Whichever nationality, what do you think? Please go ahead and share your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to smash the like button. If you enjoyed this video, repost it and share it with all your contacts. This is where I'm going to peg you today, and until I come your way some other time, see you at the top because the ground is way too crowded. Bye-bye.